Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tilted landing gear. This innovative design significantly improves an aircraft's ground handling characteristics. By angling the wheels, we can reduce aerodynamic drag during critical phases like takeoff and landing, leading to smoother operations. It also plays a crucial role in preventing noseovers and enhancing overall directional control, making for a safer and more stable aircraft experience. Now, let's dive into designing the actual tilt mechanism. A key step is determining the ideal tilt angle, which usually falls between 5 and 10 degrees for most aircraft. You'll need to integrate a sturdy pivot point directly into the main landing gear strut assembly. For materials, consider using high-strength, lightweight options such as aluminum alloys or advanced carbon fiber composites to ensure the mechanism can reliably endure substantial landing forces. Next, we focus on the actuation and control systems for your tilted landing gear. You'll want to implement a highly reliable hydraulic or electric system to manage the tilt. Design a clear and intuitive control interface for the pilots, allowing them to easily adjust or lock the gear's tilt angle as needed. Crucially, incorporate robust safety features to prevent any accidental retraction or deployment, ensuring secure and predictable operation at all times. Finally, we move to the critical stages of installation and thorough testing. Securely mount the newly designed tilted landing gear to the aircraft's airframe, ensuring all connections are robust. Conduct comprehensive static load tests to verify the structural integrity and strength of the entire assembly. Then, perform taxi tests at various speeds to accurately assess ground stability. Make any necessary adjustments to the tilt angle for optimal performance and maximum safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.